What's good for traders? How's it going? How are you all doing? Welcome to this vlog. I mean, this is not really a vlog because I didn't record the whole week. Guys, this week I want to start with this. This week was by far one of my best prediction week. Like, I predicted the price to do so thing in the forex market, and it did exactly that. But at the same time, this week was also one of my worst week, and I'm going to explain how in a minute when I go hop into the chat and show you guys all the trades that I predicted and all the trades that I missed. The trade that I predicted went very well, but I did not take them, or some I took them and then I closed very early. And then, I'm currently suffering with my biggest issue now in forex is my psychology, and I know that, but I'm also working on that. I've had a lot of time to reflect on how bad my week was and how stupid I planned things and how they all went. But I've had time to reflect on that, and I'm going to be more trade better now. And don't worry, this week that we're going, I'm more like from today onward, it's going to be really good. My trading is going to be really good. My psychology is going to be in check and all of that. But this week was very, very, very rough for me. Very rough, even though I had one of the best prediction weeks. But what happened? I was not able to post this week. First of all, I got a payout on Monday. Yeah, I got a payout on Monday, and yeah, I got a payout. This is the payout already, and this is my third payout from the Fivers. And if you know, the payout I got last week, I had to reinvest that into buying a new account, which is this Hola Prime 25k account, which I would have passed this week with one trade. But then I closed out too early and I messed up everything. I'm going to show you guys everything, and you're going to, I know you can call me whatever in the comments. I really won't blame you at all, because I really messed up. I messed up so bad this week, but it's all right. This week I got a payout, and I funded a $100 live account. If you are following me, my shorts, my YouTube shorts, or my TikTok reels, or my Instagram reels, you would see where I posted the challenge. And yeah, I am currently down on all my accounts. I'm break even on my 25k account, which I was up about 3% this week, so I'm break even now. And then on my 10k account, I'm in drawdown. I'm in like 3% plus drawdown, which is crazy. Hopefully we come back this week. And then on my life account, I'm down like $10, so that's $100. That's $90 remaining. Well, let's go up into the chat so you see why I'm regretting, and let me just show you guys everything that had happened from start.
What's good, guys? So welcome inside of my screen, guys. And man, I don't even know how to start this week. I really don't know how to start this video. This week was very painful for me. Very, 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 very painful for me. And why? Because I called out too many trades and they did exactly what I wanted them to do, but I did not take the trade. And I'm going to be starting out. There were 3 trades actually. I took 2 trades that hit my SL. So the 2 I took hit my SL, but the 3 I called out that many people. There was a trade, USD card, which we are going to be starting with, that I called out for my guy, and the trade he used it to pass his phase 1 account that we bought the same time. We bought the account the same time, the same day, and I would have passed my phase 1 account with this same trade. He passed his own phase 1 account with this trade, and I did not, because I closed out too early. And it was just like, what am I even doing? What am I doing with my life? But yeah, we are definitely going to have to be strong, because this is the moment where this could literally affect our psychology and ruin everything, or we could learn from our mistake and we become a better version of ourselves and all of that. So I don't know why this is wasting too many time. Okay, guys, so this is USD CHF, and just look at this beautiful trade, man. I'm going to check if there was a before. If there was not before, I'm going to share the chart where I sent the trade out to my guy. But this was the trade that would have passed my phase one account. The more I look at this stuff, the more I feel very bad in my belly. So let's look at this trade. Why was I mean, it's already very clear. I trade break and retest, and as you can see here, this USD card, if you hop onto the daily, you'd see that USD card is already a bullish pair. It's bullish. Market was around here, and the next level target is definitely this blue level here. So I was looking for a way to catch market and ride it all the way to this blue level. And I got the opportunity, perfect opportunity. I took the trade on both my account. The trade actually brought me out of drawdown on my 10k account, and then instead of me allowing the trade to ride, I closed the account on my 10k. And what this is a 1:5 trade. Actually, if I push it to the zone, this is actually a 1:5 trade. How did I take my entry? I took my entry early when the market opened this week Sunday. I took my entry around here, and then I did not wait for clear confirmation though. But I just took my entry around here, and then as you can see, it's actually raining heavily, guys. It's raining heavily, so I'm very sorry if there's any noise that is affecting this whole stuff. But yeah, look, I took the trade around here, and then market gave us an entry gave us like an entry candle in the next move. So if I had not taken this trade around here, I could have also taken it around here as well. But I took the trade around this level, so went in a bit of a drawdown. But then my emotion, and mind you, I had no issue when market got here. I broke even, and then I was just like, okay, let the market ride. I've already broken even. And this was what I had to sit down and reflect on again, because if I had used my strategy where if market gets to a level like this, I close out 1% or I close out half of my trade and then break even, I wouldn't have been worried about the market coming to tap me out for break even and then me closing for nothing. You get? Because that was actually my fear. I've gotten to this point. If market drops back, we've gotten to this point. If market drops back here and hit us for break even, this trade is just going to be a waste. So I was like, let me just close out with what I see. And I actually waited though. I waited for the market to retrace here, and this was another entry which, if I was not letting my emotions and my psychology ruin my whole trading, this would have been another entry which my guy caught the entry from here. And since I was already broken even, I would have taken another trade around here, my SL around here, and then my take profits the same level here for another 1:4, giving us like a 1:9 or so. You get? So, but I was like, I was really scared. I seriously did not have any reason for being scared. And what happened was, I waited for the market to come back here, and once the market reached here, I closed out. And in the next 4 hours, this happened, and in the next 4 hours, take profits. So I closed out 8 hours before take profits. So I closed out, and then in the next 8 hours, we hit TP. And that was really crazy. I felt really bad. Really bad. And I thought that was it, and we would just go on to catch another trade. But no, I also had another trade that I would have taken at the same time I was taking I was taking USD card, which is GBPUSD. And this trade, it was just a perfect trade, bruh. It was just a perfect trade. We had this market retracing here, and market had come up to this level again. There was a level here in which I called out this first trade. There was a level here, so we got this clean and clear evening star candlestick pattern, and also a bearish engulfing. So you can see it here. It was very clear, and I would have taken from here, but I always wait for market to come and touch this guy again. So this is where my entry would have been. Stop loss 6 pips above the high, so this would have been my stop loss around here, and then take profits at this low here. I did low just at the top of it. And as you can see here, what the market do, immediately market tapped in. I was literally staring at the market when market tapped in, but I was like, I'm already in 2 trades. Then I was in GBP, I was in Euro AUD, which later hit SL, and I was in USD card. So I was like, I do not want to close out. I do not want to enter 3 positions because that would be me risking too much. But I would have still taken this trade on my life account. But I was just so, I don't even know what to say. And then market gave us little to no drawdown and then hit a take profit of 1:6. This made me feel so bad too. And I was like, okay, we missed 2 trades, we can still do something. And then this was the worst. This was the worst because I literally was sitting talking to my guy when this trade hit. If I go to this alert, you can see gold alert hit. This was gold alert that hit on the 18th of June 2026. And if you come here, this was on the we just ship this guy aside and then come to tap here. You can see here, this was the 18th of June 2026. So I was literally there when the market tapped me in. I was on a call on a Discord call with one of my guys, and then I was like, I don't want to take this trade. There was zero reason why I shouldn't have taken this trade. No reason, because this was a clear retest. And I'm sorry I'm making this screen recording or this video with anger, because I'm actually really angry. This is a clear retest. This was a break. I just expected a retracement into this level. And if we also put our Fibonacci from swing high of this level to swing low, if we go down to the 1 hour, you would see the retracement very clearly. So I was like, this was the retracement. My trade would have been at this level. Stop loss would have been actually around here, and then sorry for it. And then my take profit would have been here. So you see, it would have gone really, 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 really nicely. This was a very, very good trade that I missed, and it just affected my week. I could not do anything. I woke up the next day, and this was actually what happened. I was like, okay, instead of me taking gold, let me take BTC. And if we go to BTC, you will see that BTC stopped me out. I was like, I had 2 options: take gold or take BTC. And I was like, let me take BTC instead of taking gold. And if we go to BTC to go and check how that played out, we can see that BTC, let's just look for the stupid pair. He's actually pushing up now. He's pushing up now, but this was where I took my trade and it stopped me out, because I was expecting a break, a retracement, and the market rallying to the upside, but that did not happen. And right now, I mean, a Let's Talk Forex video is going to be dropping tomorrow morning, because this video is going to be dropping today. This video I'm making now is going to be dropping today. I dropped 1 video today, so I'm going to be dropping 2 videos today, and then a Let's Talk Forex video. I'm going to be making the Let's Talk Forex video literally after this video, and I'm going to be dropping it tomorrow morning. I might even drop it this night, who knows, to compensate you guys for not dropping any video for a long time. So this is going to go on the Let's Talk Forex video, and we'll explain why I'm going to be looking to buy BTC and other pairs again. But guys, this was really what happened, and it messed up my week really, really, really badly. It messed up my week. And it also helped me a lot, because let me just expand this. So guys, it also helped me really well to, you know, I had to modify my strategy. I had to do a lot of things after this whole stuff had happened, and it helped me. Now I have a new set of rules that I can follow, and I can also, you know, use to help myself and all of that. Well, yeah, this was really what happened this week, and this was why I was not able to record this week, because this week was chaotic. I had 3 good trades that played out to the TP, which would have given me over 1:15 R. Imagine 1:15 R on my life account. That would be crazy. But I took 2 trades. I took 2 trades that hit SL, and that just spoiled everything. I mean, it's not a bad week. I'm 3% down from my 10k and break even for my 25k. But let's hope for the best this week. That's really all I can say at this point. Let's hope for the best. But guys, this is the end of my video today. Thank you for tuning in, and peace out.